Hey guys, today in this video let's learn how to remove the background of an image for free using AI. So if you guys would like to go ahead and remove the specific background of your photos without doing it manually and utilizing AI to do so for free, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do that just, well, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch a website that I recommend called Removal.ai. Now this is a free to use AI image background removal software that we could actually utilize for our own photos. So in order for us to use this, all we need to do is to launch the website, and once that is already done, just tap on choose a photo for you to choose your preferred photo that you want to go ahead and remove the background of. And in this case, I think I want to go ahead and remove the background of this photo right here, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that real quick. And once this is already done, we may now go ahead and wait for this to finish its processing. And once this is already done, of course, we can now have the result and also see the before and after once the background has been removed. And as you see guys, once the process is already done, we may now have the option to download this image on normal preview and also on full image high quality. But we can see the after of the photo, but this is also the before, and it did create a great job of removing my background. And basically that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.